Hi everyone, my name is Doreen and my company is Neora, and I'm here today to tell you about our anti-aging night cream. This night cream helps to fight the signs of aging because it has a peptide blend in it, which is a natural protectant, which gives you the collagen and the elastin, which is critical, obviously, to the signs of aging, which gives you tighter and firmer skin. This is very easy to put on. All you need to do is just a couple of pumps like this, okay? And you just pat it on your skin, all over, okay? And it dries instantly. So it has a protectant on it so that when you go to bed at night and when you are sleeping and you're on your pillow, it's not going to rub off on your pillow. It sinks into your skin immediately. What it basically does is during the night it helps to fight the your skin from aging. Okay. This product does not have any types of parabens, or colors, or fragrances, or any type of synthetics. And this product isn't just for women; it's for men also, especially because men have, they shave their face every day, so it tends to dry out their skin. All right. So what this does is it helps to put a barrier on the skin, and it helps to make it smoother and firmer. We've done testing on this, and 100% of people have seen quite a difference, okay, with their smoothing of their skin, the firmness, the elastin, the wrinkles. So this does a lot to help to fight the aging of your skin. So if you have any questions on it, please feel free to comment below and let me know, and I will answer your questions. I have all kinds of information on this product, and if you like it, please make sure that you like it below. Because the more people that like it, the more that this video can be seen, and it will help to build my audience. So if you have any questions, again, please feel free to reach out, and hope you all have a great day. Take care. Bye.